See, the CRZ notification 2018, I feel that CRZ notification is definitely not feasible for the state of Goa, given the size of Goa and given the size of our coastline, 105 kilometers. Besides, going further into the sea, literally this CRZ notification 2018 is going to send people further into the sea. And we are all aware that the waters are rising. Every now and then, all over the world, we are experiencing rise in the levels, and therefore it is too risky. And we've already experienced the fury of water in Kerala very recently. So I think we have to be prudent. Another very important point that makes me take the stand that I have taken is the fact that during the last monsoons, I was called to Welsound Beach, and we conducted a site inspection along with WRD officials, because the sea waters had come in, right? It had almost reached some of the houses in along the coast of Welsound village, and to the extent that the sand erosion that took place had literally pelted the boats. Now, just a slight rise in the level could do this. We have to be careful, we have to be cautious. I don't think that this is a right decision. Also, given the fact that Goa is too small, okay? We should have some areas the way they are. We just can't allow construction everywhere. We cannot allow people to cover every square inch of the land and think that right now we are having problems with the road closure for the construction of the bridge, and we are having problems because of the magnitude of the traffic that has to be handled. And if we are going to construct and invite more and more people into the state, increase the population beyond the carrying capacity of the state, we are definitely taking risks. Because right now the shore is their territory, for fishing. They cast their nets, and some of the local fishermen which indulge in the traditional fishing methods, they move along the waters, and as and when they know that the catch is there, they cast their nets. Okay? And once they catch the fish, they come onto the shore anywhere along the shoreline. Okay? So this is definitely going to interrupt and disturb their traditional occupation. We have to think of the repercussions of what we do. I think maybe the rest of the country, I'm not saying anything. I'm just talking about CRZ notification 2018 with reference to the state of Goa.